Good morning, I'm Matt Barron with Liberty Landscape Supply. I'm here at Bill's house here in Amelia Island, and we got a project that we're looking at. Bill came to me a couple months ago and said that he needs to get rid of these pavers. They have like grout in between them. They don't look good. They're not functional. They're not even really pavers. So I came out here and looked at it, and I gave him an idea of what we do. We're gonna tear up all this clay. We're not really even sure what's underneath it right now, if there's even any base. We're gonna remove it. We're gonna find out. We already got the pavers. We got the crew here. We're getting ready to start. And we are going to replace the pavers here with Glacier Old Town 3-piece. So it's coming up pretty good right now. Looks like we only have base there, a little bit of crush. That's partially probably why these were up and down waving anyway.
There.
Hey, Cody, what do you think? We got this new paver patio installed. It looks phenomenal. Looks a lot better than having that bright red concrete filled pavers in here. We got something that's going to complement the house. We spent about a day here, tore everything out, rebased everything, reinstalled it, poured new steps, reinstalled the pavers, and it's a beautiful job. They got a really nice outdoor living space now.
Yep.